Hello, this is Ian Stevenson, and this is the video walkthrough of the 2017 290 Sea Race Sundeck. As you can see, this is a massive platform boat, great for all-day boating, great for a family, even long-range trips, as it has dual motor engines. So let's take a step aboard. We can check it out a little further. As you can see, by boarding the boat, you have a massive, expansive platform right here. You have a platform that folds down on the aft deck, and very, very accessible, able to board on either side. As you step aboard into the cockpit, again, plenty of room, comfortably seated for about 10 people all the way around, and really convertible seating. These bolsters actually flip forward for aft-facing chases, and plenty of shade, so it's really an all-day boat. Nice full hardtop forward arch that you're actually going to use to tow your skiers and wakeboarders from up top. The helm is very, very intuitive, even for a first-time boat owner. A joystick piloting operation allows you to side shift the boat, spin it 360 degrees, and gives you the option to sky hook, which is part of the joystick piloting on Mercury Verado, that will hold the boat in position. Perfect for right next to the dock when there's wind and waves, getting you to where you want to go. Stepping to the bow. Again, nice and spacious up here in the bow of the boat. Hot tub style loungers in the front. Complete wraparound seating with insulated seats down below. And then of course a boat of this size with a nice full anchor windlass up in the front, controllable remote by the helm. So again, the perfect boat for sunbar, sand, cruising, whatever you want to do as a family here in Southwest Florida. So we hope you check the boat out a little further. You can come see us at www.marinemax.com. We'll see you out there.